Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new server on Discord. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a new server on Discord, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to click the plus icon at the server section on the left sidebar of Discord. After that, this window will appear where you can choose if you want to use a built-in template for your new server, such as gaming, friends, study group, and more. These templates already come with a built-in structure and configuration like channels and categories, so you won't have to manually create them yourself based on the option you selected. But in my case, I will not use a template. Then here, just choose the purpose of your server. Is it for a small group like your friends, or for a larger group like a community? In my case, I will choose for me and my friends. And then here, you can now enter the name of your server. Also, you can add an avatar or profile picture for the server by clicking this circle icon. After clicking it, your File Explorer will open. Just find and select the image you want to use as your server profile picture, and then click Open. After that, you have now set the name and avatar of your server, so you can now click the Create button. And there you go, your Discord server has now been created. Now, to properly set up your server, I recommend adding channels. Channels help separate content based on different topics. This will make your server more organized and less confusing for the members. For example, you can create an announcements channel where you will post important updates and announcements. You can also create a general chat channel for casual conversations with members. Of course, these are just examples. The channels you create will still depend on the purpose of your server. You can also create voice channels where members can join and talk using voice chat. For example, you can make a meetings channel for important discussions. Or a gaming voice channel where you and your teammates can communicate while playing games. And of course, there are many more possible channels you can create depending on your needs. Honestly, there are still a lot of advanced server setup configurations you can do on Discord, such as setting up roles and permissions, adding bots, enabling moderation tools, creating categories, setting up reaction roles, and many more. But since this video is only about how to create a server and do the basic setup like adding channels, we will only do those for now. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.